Hello everyone, welcome once again to Investing with the Difference. So today we are going to talk about EOS as a very top level picture, especially around the price movement, what's happening, and what we are trying to answer. Did we already miss another opportunity to buy EOS very cheap? And now is it going to just start running away from everything else? So let's have a quick look at the charts, why I'm very optimistic about it. So let me just close this ad. And so this is the chart which we saw a few days back. I talked about this particular trend line, which was a big breakout in February, and I was very excited about it, and you can see why. Because while we broke out, we actually consolidated, and now we are breaking out another this triangle area, which was it was consolidated for some time in this area, and now today we are breaking out. So what's really happening? I think a lot of things are working positively. We have been covering this in our videos. We talked about all the rest of the market taking notice of EOS, especially Loom Network integrating. We also had the news around the rating systems, like for example China, CCID Institute. Ever since they started publishing blockchain ratings, EOS has been number one since mainnet launch. We talked about V's ratings. This is again a rating agency on crypto, and EOS they have identified as best cryptocurrency. Moreover, CoinMarketCap, which came out with a new metric, which they call it FCAS standard, and again based on the what they measure is the user activity, developer behavior, and maturity of the asset. And again, EOS was rated at the top. As you can see here, out of the 1000 points, they are giving EOS 908 points, and it's almost on the top along with Ethereum. So everybody is talking about EOS being number one. The FUD is now lost. We are seeing so much of positive news. We are seeing everybody looking to integrate. So now OneChain, Kyber Network, many of these are announcing that they will integrate in their cross-chain integrations, and these are all like very focused on Ethereum. They were looking for scalability on Ethereum, and now they are realizing that they will be left out if they are not taking account of EOS, which is growing much faster than Ethereum. So these are some of the things. I think we also talked about Loom Network. We did a video on this few days back. This is again they have announced that they will introduce EOS connectivity. So what is happening? So what is happening at a fundamental level is, as more people look at the fundamental strength of EOS, which we have been talking about on this channel, we have been educating developers around it for a very long time, and now I think more and more people in the wider market are taking notice, and this is why I'm trying to understand and whether you already missed this opportunity. When the market was low, EOS really touched our lows below $2, and now we are breaking out a $4 mark. And I'm wondering, especially because of this breakout and this big candle, you can see clearly breaking out of this consolidation pattern. The only thing now is and this is again, this is in comparison to Bitcoin. This is assuming that we are still not out of the bear market from Bitcoin. We are seeing a breakout. As I can see, the chart of the Bitcoin itself has been taking some support here, and if we are able to rally in Bitcoin price, then what we will see in EOS can be much bigger. So even today, I think, for example, now let's go back on the overall market, and let me see how the rest of the currencies are doing. You can clearly see a difference when this market up move. We have like 2 to 3% of the average returns, and EOS is running ahead. So this is showing in the news flow. This is showing in all the acceptance across various agencies, like whether it's rating agencies, whether there are projects which are trying to integrate multi-chain. I would say maybe we are now hitting the point where more and more people are waking up to EOS and realizing that they don't want to miss this boat. On the other hand, fundamentally, while there are some great things which are there in the base protocol, we also covered few days last few weeks we have been covering a lot of news around the layer 2 solutions built on EOS. All the critique of EOS talks about how will you have mass adoption with a cost to each account. Those kind of problems are getting solved with liquid apps kind of frameworks. We have actual apps coming which are really using EOS and launching at mass scale, like Emanate, like SenseChat, and so many other we keep talking about in these updates on our channel. And this is something I don't think any other blockchain is able to compete today. And whenever the bull run happens, this may just be EOS bull run this time around, and we need to watch out for that. So again, please don't consider this as an investment advice, and make your own decisions based on your personal risk capabilities, and try to follow the fundamentals before you make any investment decisions. But this is something which I wanted to cover, which it's a general news flow is turning very, very positive for EOS, and maybe we have already seen the bottom, and we are now looking for newer highs very soon on EOS platform. Thank you once again for joining. Do share this video with others, and do press like if you like the content we are producing, and do not forget to join our development activities which we are really promoting. We want everybody to really look at how you can take part in this blockchain revolution, and join as a developer as well as a user of blockchain. Don't just watch, invest on central exchanges. Go create your own accounts, learn, because the next wave of mass adoption will really take crypto mainstream, and we don't want you to be left behind. Thank you. Bye for now, and we'll be back with more content very soon.